Doon ho sa simula, pinag-usapan nyo yung treason. May mga footnotes to history akong nasagasaan in the course of my job. Yung isa, yung libro ni Louis Glick na CIA Station Chief sa Maynila dati. Sabi niya sa libro, nag-apply daw na maging CIA sa kanya si Ninoy. So, hindi ko to gawa-gawa, nasa libro to nung CIA Station Chief. Ikalawa, nung pakawalan ni Cory lahat ng political prisoners, siyempre, FOCAP, cover ng cover. Sinundan namin yung si Joma, tsaka si Commander Dante, all the way from where they were released sa kampo, papunta sa temporary presidential office sa Makati. Nandun si Cory, si Sagisag, si Joker, si Doña Aurora, tapos yung dalawang bagong release. Sabi ni Joma, karampatan, and this is all on videotape. Nandun ngayon sa ABS-CBN library. Sabi ni Joma, karampatan lang daw na isang Aquino ang magpalaya sa kanila dahil hindi sila magkakakilala hindi dahil kay Senador Aquino. Sabi daw sa kanya ni Ninoy, ikaw Joma, puro kalaway, wala ka namang armas, paano mo mapapalitan ng gobyerno? At sinabi naman daw ni Ninoy kay Dante na, ikaw sugod ka ng sugod, putok ka ng putok, wala ka namang ideology. Kaya daw ginawa ni Ninoy, isang araw, pinagtagpo sila sa bahay ni Ninoy sa hacienda. At doon, in the words of Joma, doon ipinanganak ang CPP-NPA. Nung mahuli si Ninoy after martial law was declared, lahat ng tao nagsasabi violation of human rights. And he was charged with all kinds of stuff, including his involvement with CPP-NPA. Yun lang ho, I just wanted to contribute.
So it's not a question, but a sharing of some footnotes in history. So how would you react to that as a lawyer that you are, Bono?
I've known all that a long time ago. Sol, no, because one of my friends, no, he's dead now, used to be one of the best ISAF chief, no, in this country. And he has written books on the subject, no, about treasonous behavior of some people who are already dead. I hope they'll rest in peace, even after the revelation of Sol. No? But, you know, I don't like to hark back into the past, no? Because they might say that I'm a professional Aquino hacker. I mean, I hacked them, buzzer, or I hacked them to death, even if they're dead already. No? But the fact of the matter is there are historical facts in this country that tend to show, as Mentong has pointed out, a string that tie together grandfather, father, and son, no? And his grandson also. And I don't like to discuss that matter because that's a good subject for another book. No?